So Crave sent us 2 cases for the S24 Ultra. They were kind enough to send us their MagSafe compatible cases with dual guard. Let's take a look at them. The first one we got is in navy. Put this to the side real quick. It's already, I can tell you right now, that's some good texture. Pop it out. Now, when they say dual guard, what they mean is that the inside is a little more flimsy, a little more rubber. You can hear that from the, right? Now, it might sound plasticky or feel plasticky, but let me tell you, it makes all the difference. There's the MagSafe branding. There it is. And so let's just get the phone out. S24 Ultra. Now that goes on really well. These cases are known for being minimalistic, but very protective. Now, as you can see, that was easy. That was so great. Check that out. Now, the first thing I've noticed, and I say it all the time, cameras are important. They're guarding the camera really well. And so there's the front, it's on. The tactile buttons is something that's really good. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's very clicky. And then once you put it on, it actually feels very nice. It feels good. Let's do a round table there. Accessibility to the S Pen. That's there. Now, charger. That's the top. That's the side. Now, it's MagSafe compatible. I've got a MagSafe wallet right here. Let's see how strong the magnet is. Oh, well, it's about the same strength as an iPhone. That's what it felt like. Just for comparison, got my iPhone right here with MagSafe. It's the same strength. So you're pretty much getting iPhone level strength in this case. So let me tell you, it feels a lot nicer than what it was or whatever you heard. This does not feel as plastic. It actually feels like a matte silicone at the same time. It's a weird texture. I can't even explain it. But yeah, this is navy. This is what navy looks like. It's beautiful. And so let's test out one more thing, of course, for us Note users, the S Pen compatibility, right? Do the magnets interfere with the pen? It doesn't do it, not at all. You know what? For a case that costs $21.99, it's not a bad case. You guys can catch this one on Amazon. I'm gonna take out the other color just so you guys can see it. This is slate. And so if you like grayer color, no knife required. It's very simple. This is slate. This is without the phone in it. And so same operation here. It's a dual layered case. Pop that out. See the MagSafe right there. So let's see how easy it is to pop this phone out. Done. Let's assemble the case. And 1, 2, yeah, there you go. Pops right in. Now I will say, it's got some lip. Not a big lip, but it's got some lip. Enough to protect you for some slams. And it's also wireless charging compatible. Let's check that out. And there we go. Charging, 28%. See that, right? Let's try it one more time. No matter what, it still charges. You can use your S Pen. These cases feel great. They feel more premium than what you're paying for. But let me know what you guys think. Would you pick this up? $21.99 to protect your $1,000, $1,200, $1,500 investment. Crave is it's being competitive in terms of the case market. A lot of these other cases are $50, $60. About 22 bucks, you get something that feels nice and it looks nice. We're going to throw some affiliate links down below. But if you're gonna pick it up, let me know which color you're gonna get and if you like it, and which case you would get if you wouldn't get this case. Feel free to subscribe, it helps us. And we'll catch you on the next one.